In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alibaba to TikTok Shop. We'll start by setting up the foundations. Create an Alibaba account as a buyer or supplier facing buyer profile, and create a TikTok Shop seller account through your TikTok business dashboard. Complete verification on both platforms with accurate business details, banking information, and tax data. Make sure the information matches across accounts and wait for approval before moving forward. This will prevent listing errors and payout delays later. Next, find a reliable supplier on Alibaba. Search for products from sellers with the gold supplier badge and covered by trade assurance. Review ratings, response rates, and order history. Prioritize items that can ship quickly to your target country and ask suppliers if they support dropshipping directly to your customers. Use chat to confirm shipping timelines, whether they offer tracking numbers, any branding options like neutral packaging or logo printing, and how returns or replacements are handled. Clear communication now avoids headaches when orders start coming in. There are two ways to connect products to TikTok Shop. The first is with a dropshipping integration tool that supports both your chosen supplier and TikTok Shop. These tools sync listings, stock, and price, and can push tracking back to TikTok automatically. If you go this route, double-check region support, map variants carefully, and set rules for pricing and inventory updates. The second option is manual listing. Copy product images, titles, and specifications from the supplier, then rewrite the description so it's clear, accurate, and compliant. Include dimensions, materials, and what's in the box, and avoid claims you can't verify. Import your products into TikTok Shop and set pricing that covers your product costs, shipping, TikTok fees, taxes, and your desired profit margin. For shipping, choose methods that reliably meet TikTok's delivery windows for your destination country and always use tracked services. Faster shipping improves approval and customer satisfaction. For fulfillment, when you receive an order in TikTok Shop, place the matching order with your Alibaba supplier, confirm the exact variant, include the customer's complete address, and add your TikTok order ID as a reference. Request the tracking number and upload it promptly. Monitor cutoff times and keep customers informed if there's any delay. Keep an eye on performance metrics like on-time delivery, cancellations, and disputes. Stay compliant with TikTok Shop policies and update listings if the supplier changes specifications. As you scale, automate pricing and inventory rules, expand winning variations, and consider moving best sellers to a local 3PL for faster shipping. This workflow creates a smooth, connected pipeline from Alibaba to TikTok Shop.